Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making an amazing soft and moist nectarine cake. If you wish, you can use peaches instead. For the cake, we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of yogurt or sour cream, 3 to 4 nectarines or peaches, 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We will also need some butter to grease the pan and some icing sugar to sprinkle on the cake. To prepare the peaches or the nectarines, cut them into medium-sized slices. I left the peel on, but if you wish, you can peel them. And peeling is very easy. Put them in boiling water, take them out, and then immediately put them in cold water and the peel will come off very easily. To make the batter, place the unsalted room temperature butter in a mixing bowl. I'm using a hand mixer today, but if you wish, you can use a stand mixer. Cream the butter until it is light and fluffy and then add the sugar. Beat the sugar with the butter until the sugar is completely incorporated in the butter and becomes very light and fluffy again. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the sugar and the butter to mix properly, and you will notice that the color has become very light. Now we will add the eggs and we will add them one at a time. To make sure that we don't get any shells in the cake, I usually break them in a bowl first. After mixing the eggs thoroughly with the batter, add the yogurt. You can substitute sour cream for the yogurt. Adding yogurt or sour cream will give the cake some more moisture and a tang. At this time, don't forget to add the vanilla extract. I did forget, and so I will add it later. Add the salt and the baking powder to the flour, mix it and then add it to the batter. Add half of the flour mixture at this time and mix on low speed. We do not want to overbeat the flour, that will make the cake tough. Add the rest of the flour to the batter and mix it on low speed again. The batter is almost ready. At this stage, scrape the sides and the bottom so that any residual flour can mix together with the batter. I had forgotten to add the vanilla extract in the beginning, so I'm adding it now. Take out about 10 to 12 slices of the nectarines or the peaches before you add them to the batter. These slices will be used to top the cake. Mix the fruit with the batter very gently, as the peaches or the nectarines are very delicate and they can break. To bake the cake, I'm using a 9-inch spring form pan. I lined the base with some wax paper and then greased the base and the sides with some butter. Add the batter to the pan and then smooth the batter into an even layer and place the peaches or the nectarines on top. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which comes to 177 degrees Celsius, and gas mark 4. Place the cake in the heated oven and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the cake comes out clean. I baked the cake for 50 minutes until it was done. Before taking the cake out of the pan, let it cool and then take it out and sprinkle with some icing sugar. And there you have it. Our delicious cake is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this cake as a dessert with some ice cream or some whipping cream or just by itself. It's so moist and so delicious. I'm sure if you make it once, you're going to make it again and again. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. By pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!